So right now we are having the chapter 4 of your ISC Total English class 11. So let's start with the assignment number 1. First question. Having finished her practice session, she went home. She finished her practice session and went home. Second, he must work hard to succeed in life. He must work hard or she will not succeed in life. Third, she must work hard to win the competition. She must work hard or she will not win the competition. Now fourth, to everyone's surprise, he took up a job as an accountant. He took up a job as an accountant and everyone was surprised. Okay, now fifth. Besides advising she also gave him money. She had only advised him but also gave him money. Now, sixth, owing to floods and the crops were destroyed. There were floods and the crops were destroyed. Now, seven, notwithstanding several reminders, he did not pay the fine. There were several reminders, but he did not pay fine. Now, the teacher punished the boy for misbehavior. The boy misbehaved, and so the teacher punished him. Okay, now let's move to the assignment number 2. First, she packed her suitcase and went to the airport. Having packed her suitcase, she went to the airport. Now, second, it is never so late that one cannot mend. It is never too late to mend. Okay, now third, some boys of the class are cleverer than Amit. Amit is not as clever as some boys of the class. Now fourth, why waste time in idle pursuits? It is foolish to waste time in idle pursuits. Now fifth, the ship went down yet the passengers were saved. In spite of the ship having gone down, the passengers were saved. Now sixth, she said that she regretted that she had acted so rudely. She expressed her regret for acting so rudely. 7. The new rules forbid passengers to enter the metro station without a face mask. Passengers are forbid to enter the metro station uh, without a face mask according to the NR. Now, 8. None but a millionaire can afford such a luxurious life. Only a millionaire can afford such a luxurious life. Okay. Now, let's move to the next one, assignment 1. First, the lawyer went into the cave. Her shoes go well with. Third, she needs to go through or over. You must not go with. Fifth, his speech will not go down well with. Sixth, the word went around. Seventh, the principal finally gave in to the student's request. Now eight, the bridge gave way as it was very cold. So let's move to the assignment number 2. Rewrite the sentence correctly. Now first, if I will have the time, I shall visit the zoo. Answer: if I have the time, I shall visit the zoo. Now second, he didn't yet complete his assignment. He didn't yet completed his assignment. Now third, I shall look forward to seeing you. I look forward to seeing you. Now fourth, it is high time that we leave the place. Now it is high time that we left the place. That we left place. Now fifth, I would rather you will stay at home. I would rather you stayed at home. Now, sixth, the English alphabet is consisting of 26 letters. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters. 7. Mr. Sen is owning 2 houses. Mr. Sen owns 2 houses. 8. If I tell the truth, no one would believe me. If I speak the truth, no one would believe me. Now, 9. If he worked hard, he would have passed. If he had worked hard, he would have passed. Now 10. Yours is the best house in the town. Yours is the best house in the town. So this is all about this chapter. Just make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks.